Okay, following up from the previous tutorial, welcome to Cad Cafe, and I'll be taking you through on how to use the next item here, which is mirror entities. Okay, mirror entities. So this one is actually for 3D sketch entities by certain edges. So this is actually for surface, okay, and 3D sketches. So let's leave that for now. Okay, so let's move on to the mirror entities. So this is actually to replicate a particular sketch to another place. Alright, so first of all, to use this tool, I have to create a center line for construction. So let's just sketch a line. I mean, the center. What I mean is that the line has to be in between those the sketch and the one I want the virtually replicated sketch. Okay, so what I want to replicate and the one I intend to see. All right, so let's just go over to see how that works. Okay, so let's just mirror entities. This is what I mean. So this is what I want to replicate about this line. You can see that. So this is actually the line is in between these sketches down, the original circle and the mirror circle. Okay, so and I could go ahead to add several other arcs or circle. See that. So this is mirrored about this construction line. Okay, so that is okay. So I may even choose to replicate this to at a particular angle. So let's just go ahead to sketch. Let's assume we want to replicate it to this side. So let's quickly just convert entity, mirror entity. So let's just highlight all of this. Oh, sorry, just highlight everything. Okay, about this. See that? So I may actually choose to take out this line. So you'll see only these two circles clumped together. Okay, are actually mirrored. So this tool is actually used when you don't have to, or you don't want to draw or a particular sketch or diagram all over again or object all over again. So you just simply just mirror it. Okay, you may have drawn an object and you want to replicate the same to one side. Okay, let's just make it this way. Let's just try and see how you can sketch. Mm, let's just sketch. Let's try an example. Okay, all right. So I'll go ahead to put my center line, and of course it's 90 degrees. So let's just see. Let's do this first. Okay. All right, so let's just mirror this sketch. All right, about this. Wow, so you can see that I don't need to draw this all over again on this other side. So I'll simply just rule a line, make it construction line, and then of course all lines I could convert this line to a normal line. All right, so you can see that it's like a normal line. I can actually just take it back to a construction line. But yet you need it to be a construction line for you to mirror this particular entity. Okay, so that is how it works. So don't forget to subscribe and then don't forget to drop your comment if you have any issue in the comment section. Thank you and do have a wonderful day.